so the Khenchsen Jigme Phuentshok loma chama ga te pe kar chenbo za tsaga yore. Kari zena kong ta loma yung lo song shi chama ga tani ta chi thama chin jigma ga tari ga tsukte ga cha yore. Kari zena kong ta the gongba ma zone parchir nima nga chig yarmar za kong do tani 그 공바 조디 된데나 야낙 천도가 많고 많고 나는 공바 조래 옛날에 때니 야르 가르로 때니 카버 틀리판 티노나 때니 로마초라 때니 송시 타마즈 조요래 때니 송시 타마가 줄돔 데라 콘그 다 장츠 마셔 랑그 츠티 셔 만조 때니 장그 셈데 마츠 때 송요래 that rangi rang pena rang chupa jin chupa tsig yore chupa tsig da mashur tani rang pena tani shawa kang jong ke jin na rang de la rang lam lik zi yora rangi lam pena nga popa jin na popa ga rang tsig da mashur tani nga girgin jin na girgin de la rang tsig zi yore te rang tsig de mashur pena nga su sang lo ton te pe 또 몽보즈는 레초고요레 상고도 근데 막강 샤와 강다강잖아 런거 측면 절기도 배 같이버려 상고 뜻지래 근데 측 니바데 때네 다 장기 셈마츠 수샤와 강점네 나더니 여러 공마라 여러 깊거리 조시와도 나더니 람님 솔라야는 파라뜬 시와도 근데 공마 솔라야는 지금 샤경 시와 된라이 소니 나더니 잠바스기야는 셈트기 요마라 당가송 가서데런 잠볼는 것더니 다 멘트 조야 다는더니 치산이들이 야르컵 빠르네야나 다 뉴자 몽보조이다 단치고 조어래 근데 총산이 다리가 잠 판선 빠르다는더니 다리 멘트 몽보조요래 근데 자메존이 또 멘트 몽보조라 다 대야는 장가 셈트기래 근데 가서도 장세 마트지기도 총산의 런기 참 상다나 길금 빠르다 근데 제산이 잠몰랑 무세요 바나 양 다른 여러 체내는 전 배나 던조 그런데 소이나요 샤평 시공도와 다 된자인데 딱 공그 송시 소마가는 게 타마데레 되니 가 소이나 되니 배나가 라롱 가네 있네나 조 공그 측송교 때 랑츠 마셔 잔세 마트지기데 때 가랑츠 배나 제선데 라틴 롭칭 그나네나 때 거양오데 빠치 롭자가 the flashak zone reason josara kayang go zong zera 그 kayang chi yo de lopra ga na ki zoan jog go de ngarang zu na garne na de kamojime ba zo gomba zo son de tene dang a zu boba zen ge da chuba zen ge rang sik shor mu ni se tene ngarang zu ya ji jamba chola da ri sem ma chi ge na pamba ju ge de yen ze yi da ni zu ji ji san zhen san zhen de tene zu de je ge yo re 근데 다 공교대 송시 총마가 타마데레 된디 지 가르침본도 때라요 고지용 몽보즈 때네 추쇼고용 고지 몽보즈 요래 때네 직된 쇼고네 랑커 그 게게나 다 로마이나 다 세나 라라라라 미 츠드 마슈레 잠발라 엠보 뜬시 이나 뭐 여보즈 용건도 게레 삼교데 데 삼츠요.
So this phrase or this motto is very important for us as followers, as students of Jigme Phuentshok, and it's for us all important. The reason why it is so significant is that this basically came out of the last thing that Khenchsen Jigme Phuentshok communicated with his disciples, his followers, before he passed away. He passed away in a military hospital in Chengdu in China, but 5-6 days before his passing, he had a telephone call with people at Lorungar, and this is basically the summary of what he said. This is one of the last things that he said. Don't lose your, well, it's translated as lose your own path. It can mean actually many different things, and don't disturb the minds of others. So your own path, it could mean your practice, your Dharma practice, but it can also mean like if you are Tibetan, then don't lose your Tibetanness. And you could even take that as if you are a teacher, don't lose your identity as a teacher, be a teacher, basically. So it has some reflection on the sort of notions of identity. And then for, don't disturb the minds of others, then you can take this again on many different levels. Most basically that you don't disturb others, but also knowing that thinking about the way you treat other people, that you treat other people above you with respect, that you treat people on the same level with kindness, and people who are in a less profitable situation than you with compassion, and then again levels. You can think of nation states. I mean, the wars are because other people's mind. People are disturbed. Are caused by all these disturbances on smaller levels, family level. Then one is not to disturb the minds of others that come between couples and so on. And then even you can think about it for yourself and your direct relationships, but also how people in the world should behave, but even the way we treat animals, for example, that we treat them right, that we don't disturb them. So the significance of this thing is that it's the last thing that Jigme Phuentshok Rinpoche said, and that is why it has become so important in Ladungar itself. And just as a lot of institutions and schools, universities, they have a university motto or school motto, something that students there can take and think about, and something that is significant. So this has become do not lose your own path and do not disturb other people's minds. This has become our motto, the motto of Ladungar, basically keeping one's own identity as whatever you are, and trying, so not harming others, trying to help others where you can. And the nice thing about this sort of last speech by Khenpo Jigme Phuentshok is that you can take it in a sort of from a religious point of view, from a worldly point of view, and just in any type of